Hi, my lovely Libras. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Libras, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2022. No, March 2023. I'm so sorry. I don't know why. What made me call it out as 22? We are already way past 2022. Anyway, so it's going to be a collective reading, guys, as always, and it might not resonate with all, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, guys, first of all, if at all you guys are not keeping well, or having issues of blood pressure, high, low, especially low, please do go and get yourself checked. I'm feeling extremely giddy ever since I have sat down for shuffling for you guys. So please do be careful about your health. Okay, go check and see your BP readings. Anyway. I got very specific and intense messages and very loud and clear messages. 8, 9, 10 of wands came very strongly. I believe that some of you guys are going to end some situation. Okay, end some situation. There's going to be a lot of to and fro and lot of verbal spat around some situation, and it's a situation wherein you are feeling utterly stuck. It's a situation wherein you are feeling extremely tired, exhausted. It's sucking your energies and you're just going round and round in circles. Okay, and you are like really exhausted and frustrated, and now you have kind of deep down you have decided to put an end to this situation. It's just that you're now planning probably how to put an end to this situation, or when you're waiting for the right opportunity or right time. But definitely some endings, and it's going to pinch you as well as it's going to pinch the other person, but you know that you have no other choice. Okay, you have decided to free yourself. You are going to be courageous to take that step. Strength card was coming up very strongly. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy coming through very strongly. You guys are definitely going to cut the cords is what I'm saying. Okay, you might even end up blocking that person from every possible way of communication. I also see, Libras, there's going to be a lot of communication in general coming your way. You could also travel. Okay, you could also travel overseas is what I am seeing. There was another thing that was coming through very strongly for some of you guys. You could be into some spiritual activities, like you yourself could be into astrology or meditation, or tarot reading, something of that sorts. Okay, or something that has spiritual base. Okay, or you could be consulting someone who is into all these things. That is what I saw. I also saw, what was it? Yeah, someone from the past might return. Okay, someone from the past might return. That probability is very high. Someone would want to reconcile, or give the situation another shot. Okay, that's what I was seeing very strongly. Someone would want to work things out. Okay, someone would want to get another chance and work through the situation, but I feel, Libras, that you are not in the mood to reconcile or patch up. You are just going to walk away from this situation. Now this could be professional, personal, any situation. Take it how it resonates with your situation. Okay, Death card, Scorpion energy was coming through very strongly. Okay, Queen of Swords, some of you guys are or have stepped up into the Queen of Swords energy, which talks about like no more. Someone is going to draw strict boundaries, and you're going to ensure that no one takes you for a ride. Okay, that was what was coming through very strongly. So yeah, Libras, with that, let's get started and see what messages we have. 5 of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of there is a lot of conflict happening somewhere in someone's life. Okay, the moon, oh my god, the moon and the star, oh my goodness guys. um well, I'm getting this combination after a long time. I had pulled exact similar combination in exact similar position in one of my earlier readings, but I am getting this combination after a long time, and it's very intense. The energies are really very intense. Wow guys, somehow you are kind of stuck in some conflict is what I am getting, and you definitely are going to take some steps to free yourself. Okay, that's what I'm seeing very strongly, and things are definitely gaining momentum for you guys. Two of Pentacles, High Priestess, someone's intuition. There is a lot, there are a lot of twos that are, in fact, have I pulled all the twos? Two of Cups, Two of Wands, Two of Swords. What is remaining? Cups, Wands, Swords, Two of Pentacles. Yeah, four twos, sorry. So guys, number 2 is of some significance for sure for you guys. Okay, for sure. 2 or 8. Okay, yo man, it's a very different kind of reading guys. The energies are very strong, and the energies are coming very, they're just coming very intensely. Okay, oh my goodness. Yeah, I think we are good in terms of camera. Guys, I don't know what's happening, but Libras, this is going to be a specific reading. I think it's not going to be resonating with all. This looks like someone's, some specific person's ordeal, or situation and conflict is what I'm seeing. Either ways guys, I feel that some of you guys have been going through a lot of conflict in the recent past. Okay, it could be some trouble in someone's marriage. Okay, that could also be the case. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Guys, there could also be a case of you guys are, I don't know, I mean, this is really this is something which is really more than what meets the eye. Okay, definitely there were some secrets, definitely there were some truths that were hidden from you guys. Okay, and definitely that has caused a lot of trouble in the paradise. Okay, at the face of it, everything looked very hunky-dory. Okay, like two people or two parties, smiling, giggling, laughing, especially in this day or era of social media, wherein, I mean, in my personal connections, I have seen some couples, they are showing absolutely different story over social media, posting happy pictures, vacation pictures, but when they discuss within friends, when we are talking as friends in a group or so, a different story comes out altogether, and it's very scary guys. I mean, what kind of lies are we living? Okay, that's the kind of emotion, or that's the kind of feeling and energy I'm getting through this reading. Some things and some situation is extremely screwy over here, but someone is not acknowledging that, or has not been acknowledging that, and finally, it's like it's like the volcano is about to erupt. Okay, and finally I feel that some of you guys might have even gone into depression. You're probably not even realizing. Okay, you are actually living the lie, you're actually living your own lie. Okay, and you might have sunk into depression is what I'm seeing, but somewhere, okay, the sense might prevail is what I'm getting, and you will decide to put an end to this situation. Okay, maybe deep down you are thinking that whatever you are doing is not right, whatever is happening is not right, and you will slowly and gradually decide to shift your energies. Okay, at the subconscious level, you want to heal. Okay, you want to break free. Okay, you want to come clean, and what do I say, you want everything to be ironed out or balanced out, okay, no matter what, okay. You want to work on yourself, but crowning energy is that of moon. You're probably, hiding away, you're probably running away from the truth, okay. You're kind of, being part of these secrets. You're trying to keep everything hush hush, okay, under wraps, under covers, okay. That's what I'm seeing, guys, which is very very unhealthy, very very unhealthy, guys. At subconscious level, you want to heal the connection, you want to heal yourself, guys, but you're not doing that, okay. You're not acknowledging your own emotions, you're not acknowledging your own feelings. My goodness, Libras, where did this come from? I am having this kind of a reading, I think, for the first time for you guys, okay. And whoever is going through this phase, okay, whoever is this is resonating, guys, please wake up, okay. Just wake up. The energy is very very unhealthy and very very toxic, okay. Acknowledge, embrace your own fears and work towards bringing balance into your life, okay. That's what I'm getting. Some of you guys are probably, you are kind of procrastinating is what I'm seeing. It's like, okay, I'll wait for another week and see how it goes, and then I'll take the action, okay. I'll wait for another day and then take this action. I'll wait for blah 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 and then take the action. No, guys, you are actually sinking down and sinking in, okay. You please take the action right away. Break free. Fool is showing up in your overall energy. You really need to break free, guys. Whatever the situation, it's definitely not healthy, okay. 2 5s here right away. The moon energy, I am really not getting a good feeling about all this. Do not wait for the right time. When you know things are not right, when you know things are toxic, you don't have to wait for any more toxicity, okay. If certain things or certain people or someone has not changed or is behaving in a toxic manner for a long time, I think you really need to take care of your mental and physical well-being, guys. Knight of Swords and the Fool. The overall energy is talking about, someone taking action, okay. It's really action time and it needs to be taken fast, and I believe that you will end up doing that, or taking that action. If not, do that. Break yourself free, start from ground zero. It's never too late, guys. It's never too late to start afresh, okay. I also feel that for some of you guys, there could be or there could be someone in your energy who is very in and out, okay, who is very immature, who is very impulsive, okay. If it is you who is being like that, please be little mindful, guys. The brattishness or the impulsive nature, okay, might land you up in a trouble, okay. So don't act foolish, act little wise, okay. Take calculated risk. Do not take anything or do not take any action out of impulse, okay. This is for another group of people, by the way, not the one that I was talking earlier. Another thing that I want to say is there are all sort of tools involved over here, okay. This is the first time I am seeing something like that, okay. There are a lot of complications that I see over here, okay. Lot of complications. You probably, guys, are stuck in a third party situation. You are probably stuck in a marriage, but you like someone else, or it's that it could be a case of your partner having an extramarital affair or being into a third party situation, okay. Or you could have met your twin flame, but both of you are married, and it's really creating complications, okay. But whatever it is, guys, this situation is very twisted. You guys really need to meditate. You guys really need to take external help if required, okay. If you're going through depression, if you're going through a lot of scattered thoughts, indecisiveness, okay, please reach out to experts. Go for counseling, go for therapies. Calm yourself down, guys, and then act after that, okay. That's what I'm getting. You're trying to figure out too many things at a time. Take one thing at a time, one moment at a time, and then act accordingly, okay. Listen to your intuition, okay. It is screaming, it is telling you something very very loud and clear. There are no ifs and buts. your intuition is right. Do not ignore that. Okay, that's what I'm getting. I have this strong hunch that some of you guys are already consulting a tarot reader, or you guys are already consulting a consulting an astrologer to know the outcome of your situation. Okay, that's what I'm seeing very very strongly is what I guys. Okay, there are some sort of secrets. I see a lot of secrets being kept in some bond or in some situation. Okay, do not trust anyone blindly. Okay, that's what I'm getting very strongly. Please listen to your intuition. Do not trust anyone blindly over here. Nine of Wands, you guys are definitely exhausted. I mean, this entire spread is actually making me feel anxious and jittery, and you know, it's really kind of making me worried and concerned. Okay, and it's time to let go of the burden. Okay, Ten of Wands has not shown up in your main reading, but like I told while talking about pre-shuffling energies, I saw 8, 9, 10 of Wands at a stage. They had flipped at one time. Okay, so it definitely is time to let go of this toxicity. It's time to let go of this burden. You really do not need it. Okay, you really do not need this toxicity. Oh my god, Libras, no wonder I'm feeling so giddy. Guys, please do take care of your health. Okay, I am really feeling concerned about you guys now. Let's pull some additional messages and see what we have for you guys. There you go. The end of a tough cycle approaches, and at the bottom of the deck is win-win situation of win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra, your own energy. Full moon in Capricorn. Full moons are always about completion of cycles. Okay, definitely I have no doubts some things are ending for you guys. I had seen death card also a couple of times, Scorpion energy, but definitely closures of certain situations. Okay, and trust me guys, I was never so sure about this, but whatever this ending is, it is for your highest good. Otherwise I don't know, I mean you are actually saved by your angels and guardian angels and spirit guides or god or whoever you believe in the supreme power. This ending is what you need, Libras. Okay, do not have any second doubts about that. I can feel it in my bones. Okay, let's pull some additional messages from this beautiful deck and conclude the reading. Within the next few months, okay, whatever it is, whatever this closure or whatever answers that you are seeking, or whatever momentum or progression that you are seeking in this situation, it will come to you within next few months. And meditation brings answers, guys. Definitely the High Priestess has been showing up quite a lot. I think I had seen it while pre-shuffling also. It is asking you to go within. Okay, seek the guidance that is coming from your own higher self. Okay, meditation will help you connect yourself with your higher source, with the divine energies. Okay, and it will definitely help you calm down. And seeing the spread, I definitely or I most definitely recommend you guys to meditate. Okay, you really need to bring balance or balance your energies, guys. Okay, so Libras, it was quite a different and shocking reading to say the least. I have never seen anything like this ever before. Okay, so all four cards of the four suits, and well, good luck to you guys. Okay, yeah, if you need any help from me, please reach out. Okay, I'll be really happy to help you guys in any possible way. So I leave it at that, guys. I'll see you next month directly. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.